Hello everyone, this is Gabriel from Alphamation, and today I'm going to present to you our new product, the WTX, a turnkey solution for validating and testing your latest mobile, IoT or vehicle technologies. Let's go deep inside.
The pervasive and increasingly complex wireless technologies integration in any device makes their testing every day more challenging. Latest wireless LAN, 5G new radio, and V2X technologies have raised the performance bar within the 6 GHz spectrum by introducing complex modulations like 1024 QAM over half a gig bandwidth. MIMO multiple antennas requirements and creative devices form factors play a central role in new designs. To maximize test efficiency in the device's manufacturing process, non-signaling RF test methods are now widely used. These test methods are overcoming inherent protocol complexity by focusing on physical layer testing, thus addressing devices RX and TX tested separately and independently. A certain level of parallel tests overcomes time-budget challenges due to the device under test complexity. Alphamation WTX is a comprehensive solution conceived for highly sophisticated products testing within high-volume manufacturing processes. WTX is built around a PXI Express core. It provides a smart and dynamic measurement resources sharing, thus optimizing their usage within multi-DUT and multi-port testing. All this makes WTX an efficient investment in the RF and wireless testing instrumentation, thus further reducing the cost of testing. Alphamation WTX has been designed wide open to support past, current, and future communication technologies such as 5G new radio, V2X DSRC, and cellular. This open and modular RF wireless test solution evolves with the pace of new standards introduction, as it is based on NI RFMX RF and wireless standard libraries. The modular software and hardware architecture make it perfect to fit every customer need by simply selecting the best configuration that it provides, from 1 to 4 vector signal transceivers dynamically switched over up to 64 bidirectional channels and more. It allows to store parameters and results independently for every client to optimize configuration time. The multi-channel crosstalk is a limiting factor for effective parallel testing. Alphamation WTX provides more than 90 decibel isolation between channels, thus providing effective receiver and transmitter parallel testing. Moreover, the switching system has a very low insertion loss, and it does not require periodical calibration, while its repair and maintenance is very cost-effective. The WTX comes with its monitor graphic user interface, allowing NI RFMX soft front panel coexistence, and includes premium features like power on built-in self-test and calibration verification functions, which make the instrument easy to manage and maintain. The WTX EX software works as a server to route the client's request to the instrument RF ports. The client can be the device under test, where multiple clients can be connected to the WTX ports and to the vector signal transceiver's instrument through the switch matrix. A bit more in detail, the server creates virtual instances for every new incoming client, collects and stores measurement parameters and results. Every new request of measure or generation is linked through the low-level libraries to the vector signal transceiver. Contextually, the matrix handler routes the selected channel to the designated VST in order to perform the acquisition and analysis. The queue manager optimizes the request sorting. A common TCP/IP raw or SCIPy command line interfaces are provided. The command execution is parallelized for multi-device test applications. A monitor graphic user interface allows to easily watch the instruments and ports state. Each standard personality can be added as plugin for the best versatility and future expansion. The WTX EX software with resource sharing concept is perfectly compatible to coexist with the NI soft front panel. Configuration data can also be imported or exported between the two. The WTX basic hardware is a high-performance and reliable RF switches-based multiplexer, highly resilient among temperature and aging factors. Every channel path has almost 10 decibels of insertion loss and isolated more than 90 decibels between the others. The 8 channels basic multiplexer is integrated in the PXI chassis form factor. An infinite number of RF multiplexer extensions, typically up to 64, can be easily integrated selecting the topology in the WTX configuration file. The additional expansion to 48 channels is a standard module. The best WTX use case, WTX is in the latest generation of automotive communication devices test, where it shows being capable of managing almost every communication standard: 5G, V2X, LTE, GSM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GNSS. The mix of easily a dozen wired and over-the-air antennas, this multi-standard instrument tester is a best fit to maximize the manufacturing throughput. Alfamation is conscious that the instrumentation is just a part of the end-to-end solution where every detail counts. Therefore, Alfamation has developed all solution pieces from the instrument down through RF connections into the shielded and semi-anechoic test cells. Standard shielded semi-anechoic cell for wireless devices prevents interference with external environment among devices under test yet simulating an open field. Over-the-air antennas require coupling and positioning characterization to meet best efficiency within the cell, where hybrid RF absorbers have been positioned after a careful design. The continuous evolving of RF connections makes our capabilities in RF probe customization a big advantage. Hyperion platform-based approach provides versatile and ergonomics testers for both robot-assisted or manual handling production process. Our Supernova test sequencer software is based on NI Test Stand, ensuring fast and reliable developments for your manufacturing test business.
Thank you so much for participating, and see you soon for the next Alfamation news.